We're here to break down what's happening now and maybe, just maybe, learn a thing or two.
So strap in tight, let's take a flight, exploring the cosmos with all our might.
Ah, summer, a time of warmth, growth, and for Earth, a time of utter, insufferable torment. Our beloved blue marble, normally so composed, finds herself in a precarious position.
Oh, it's absolutely sweltering out here. This incessant warmth, it's just ghastly. My polar ice caps are practically weeping.
Earth, less complaining, more orbiting, and keep that axial tilt stable.
Oh, do calm down, son. You're making it worse with all that shouting. I need a chill. A proper cosmic chill.
Always about her. It's not like I'm exactly tropical. I'm right next to her, and nobody cares by Nep.
Neptune? Oh, he's just divine. So aloof, so distant, so cold. He's exactly what I need. To Venus. Urgent gossip delivery. Tell her Earth is in her hot girl summer phase and is desperate for some deep oceanic coolness. Oh, and mention I'm considering a deep space friendship with Neptune. Wink, wink.
Venus newsflash. This just in, darlings. Our very own Earth is in her hot girl summer era. And honey, she's got her sights set on Neptune. Can you believe it? The most distant, coldest hunk of ice in the system. Oh, the drama.
Good one, Earth. Aim for the stars. Or, in this case, the icy outer reaches. Ha!
Typical. Always the drama.
This mixtape, chill beats to vibe to, should do it. A little something to show him I appreciate his depth. No reaction? Not even a slight gravitational wobble? This is harder than I thought.
Days shorten and the leaves, or rather the continents, turn. Earth's affections, like her weather, become fickle. The chase for Neptune has proven to be, well, a little too chilly.
Honestly, Neptune is just too distant. Emotionally unavailable, you know? What I really need is someone reliable, someone powerful, someone who glows. Oh, son! You know, I was just thinking how absolutely essential you are to my very existence. That powerful gravitational pull. So stable. So magnetic.
Flattery will get you nowhere, Earth. My purpose is universal and unchanging. I have billions of stars to tend to, and you have a winter solstice approaching.
But your warmth, it's so comforting. Couldn't you just embrace me a little closer, just for a little friendly chat?
My friend, friendly chat are not in the orbital mechanics handbook. We maintain a precise distance for a reason. These are not negotiable.
Venus newsflash. Earth has pivoted. She's gone from icy detachment to fiery desperation. Now she wants to cozy up to the sun. Go, you are on a roller coaster of emotions.
It's just so cold. I can barely feel my tectonic plates. Sun, please, just a little closer. My ecosystems are crying out for warmth.
Earth, we've been over this. My distance is non-negotiable. I have a whole solar system to balance. I cannot bend the laws of physics just because your poles are feeling a bit nippy.
She never learns. Good luck with that, Earth. The sun's got rules, and he sticks to them.
At least she gets to feel warm sometimes. I'm just perpetually chilly and dusty.
Honestly, son, give the girl a break. She's clearly having a cosmic meltdown.
You know what? I don't need Neptune's frosty attitude or Sun's overbearing heat. I'm fabulous all on my own. Who needs cosmic support? Not this planet. Neptune? Please. That guy's so cold. He makes Pluto look like a sauna. I bet he's already asleep. See? Useless. And Sun? Oh, don't get me started. All bark, all burn, no chill. Thinks he's the center of the universe.
Excuse me, did I just hear some planetary sass?
Yeah, so what's the big deal, Fireball?
You brat. You asked for it.
Whoa, whoa! Cool down, Sun. Save some flares for the next ice age. Honestly, Sun's just a giant ball of hot air. Someone needs to dim his ego.
That's it. Solar blast incoming. Haven't I had enough already? Sorry, Mercury, don't ghost me. You're my bestie.
Wow, this is too good. Mercury, you need sunscreen, mate.
Don't push your luck, Earth.
Uh-oh, gotta run.
Awesome, you made it to the end. To keep the fun going, check out this playlist right here. Or if you want to be the first to know when we drop a new video, hit that subscribe button.